so we've got a crane here with a panel. I think we'll call it a panel. Kind of similar to SoFi Stadium, where you get a few workers here to secure everything down, bolt it down or whatever they need to do, and then the crane can let go of it and get some more swinging up there. I think I'm starting to see some directional exterior lights. See something up here. And then up here, another corner. Looks like all these different corners maybe. We'll be getting, what is it, about 6 kind of like directional lighting. You know, that'll change colors naturally for different events, make it flexible. You can see down the road, further down Century Boulevard, another plot of land owned by the Clippers. Shot always gives me Jabba the Hutt barge vibes. Sure what this protective covering is, and that's over some of the glass windows of the offices, but nevertheless it's covered up. If you look at over this parking structure over here, I think it's maybe the south garage. It's now all set up with solar panels. So anywhere you park here, you're gonna get a nice shaded spot if you're here during the day. The other parking garage, I'm not seeing that yet. I don't know if I see any pending structures being built. That just may be as is, open-aired. But yeah, a lot of solar panels and sustainable energy being boasted about this arena, and I guess the surrounding areas. Also be utilizing alternate energies. Over here by this entryway, by the Plaza. So you can see all these diagrids that will be providing some kind of a shelter. And you are open-aired, but you will have a roof over you at the same time. And then there'll also be a basketball court out here, open air. And then also, according to the renderings, right before here, right before the Lum Hotel, you'll have a walkway, a pedestrian walkway similar to this one. So not exactly sure if it's still in the plans. Maybe if somebody involved with the project could comment down below. And I know I've been asked from time to time if there will be a second pedestrian walkway that will reach across Century Boulevard, which is another busy street on the corner here, Century and Prairie. And at this corner of Century and Prairie, we've got this area here, which kind of joins the pedestrian walkway across the street from a couple of the parking lots. Still see some work to go here as far as finishing up some of these exteriors. Still have some of this steel framing up there on the top deck area. So I don't know if that's gonna be like a vending area up there or open air area to maybe designated smoking. And still a lot of scaffolding below here, where the entryway is near the escalator. All those diagrids staged on the ground level. And underneath the Plaza entryway, all these glass panels, I do see one little oddity here. Where you've got just a different color here of all these little squares or rectangles amongst all the glass, different transparencies, translucence. That's interesting. Some kind of a tent or something up there. And we can peer into the windows a little bit, see anything new. Finished exteriors, I don't know. More of these rectangles. one of a couple of cranes over here, like on the southwest end. Not doing anything right now. And then here's where we're at on the south end as far as seeing panels being mounted on diagrids. A couple of panels here, 1, 2, 3. They still have a little ways to go finishing some of these solar panels. There's one now. Even after some of the rains we've had, some of these panels, they still look kind of dingy. I'm not sure why that is. Oh man, this guy wants to play with me. This cutie's got a toy in his mouth. Hey buddy. The Intuit Dome dog. Alright, we're over here on 104th Street. It's always an interesting angle. It looks like not a lot of action because a lot of these panels are finished, and it looks like they're focusing their panel efforts on the opposite side, on the north side.